Welcome everyone to a journey that promises to unlock financial freedom. Unlocking Financial Freedom, a guide to tax-free living with VRMSZ. In an era where tax regulations seem as changeable as the weather, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve. But don't fret, we're about to embark on an enlightening adventure that will demystify the world of tax planning. Our goal? To equip you with strategies that can revolutionize the fiscal landscape of your enterprise. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your business journey, this guide is designed to transform your understanding of tax and how it can work in your favor. We'll start by exploring the art of metamorphosing personal expenditures into legitimate business outlays. You'll discover how every dollar spent can contribute not just to your business growth, but also to your tax efficiency. By understanding how to categorize and document these expenses, you'll be able to optimize your tax situation and make a substantial impact on your bottom line. Next, we'll delve into the world of bookkeeping, a task that may seem daunting, but is crucial to your entrepreneurial journey. With the right tools and guidance, you can build a robust bookkeeping infrastructure that lays a strong foundation for your business's financial success. We'll also unpack the pivotal distinctions between an LLC and an S-Corp, revealing the potential fortune to be saved through a strategic status switch. Choosing the right business structure can reshape the financial trajectory of your enterprise, and we're here to guide you through this important decision-making process. In the terrain of capital gains, we'll navigate the complex landscape between long-term and short-term gains, offering clarity on how strategic planning can optimize gains and minimize tax liabilities. And finally, we'll talk about the delicate equilibrium between heartfelt generosity and strategic benevolence. Charitable deductions. We'll explore how your charitable contributions can not only make a difference in the world, but also provide tax benefits. I'm thrilled to guide you through the meticulous strategies that can reshape the fiscal bedrock of your enterprise. Without further ado, let's dive in. Our first stop on this journey involves a fascinating art transforming personal expenditures into bona fide business outlays. Now you might be wondering, how on earth can my personal grocery bill or monthly Netflix subscription be considered a business expense? Well, the truth is, with the right knowledge and strategies, many of your everyday expenses can indeed be reclassified as business costs. The secret lies in the art of categorization and documentation. For instance, perhaps you run a food blog. In such a case, your grocery bill could be seen as a business expense, as the food you buy is used to create content for your blog. Or maybe you're a film critic. Your Netflix subscription could be considered a necessary business expense, as it's fundamental to your work. But it's not as simple as just declaring these expenses as business costs. You need to document them meticulously. Keep your receipts, make notes about the business purpose of each expense, and maintain a well-organized record system. This will not only help you during tax season, but it'll also be invaluable if you're ever audited. Now let's talk about the impact of this transformation on your taxes. By converting personal expenditures into business outlays, you're effectively reducing your taxable income. And a lower taxable income means less tax to pay. It's a simple equation, but one that could save you significant amounts of money. But it's not just about tax optimization. This strategy can also have a profound impact on the overall financial health of your enterprise. By treating your personal expenses as business costs, you're essentially reducing your business's overheads. And lower overheads mean higher profit margins. So you're not just saving on taxes, you're also increasing your profits. In the world of business, the devil is often in the details. So, if you're serious about financial freedom, you need to master the art of metamorphosing expenditures. It's a game changer. Understanding how to metamorphose your personal expenses into business outlays can be a game changer. Now, we all know that commencing your entrepreneurial journey without a robust bookkeeping infrastructure can seem daunting. But let's take a moment to demystify this. Bookkeeping, at its core, is the process of recording all your business transactions. It's like keeping a diary of your business's financial life. Every sale you make, every expense you incur, every loan you take out, it all needs to be recorded. This forms the base of your financial reports and tax returns. What's more, effective bookkeeping can provide a clear picture of your business's financial health. It can help you identify trends, monitor cash flow, and make informed decisions. It's not just about keeping the taxman happy, it's about gaining insight into your business's performance and potential. That's where VRMSZ comes into play. They understand that as an entrepreneur, your focus should be on growing your business, not getting lost in a sea of receipts and invoices. That's why they offer comprehensive bookkeeping services tailored to the specific needs of your business. Imagine having a team of experts handling your accounts, making sure everything is in order, and providing you with valuable financial insights. Imagine having the peace of mind that comes with knowing your bookkeeping is in safe hands. That's what VRMSZ offers. But VRMSZ goes a step further. They don't just handle your bookkeeping, they equip you with the tools to understand it. They offer workshops and training sessions, taking you through the essentials of bookkeeping. They help you understand the what, the why, and the how. They empower you to take control of your business's financial destiny. In the world of entrepreneurship, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of innovation and growth. But remember, building a successful business is not just about breaking new ground, it's also about laying a solid financial foundation. And that foundation starts with effective bookkeeping. A solid bookkeeping infrastructure is the backbone of financial success, and VRMSZ is here to guide you through it. Unpacking the pivotal distinctions between an LLC and an S-Corp is crucial for entrepreneurs. This is where we find ourselves now, on the edge of a precipice where the future of your business hangs in the balance. It's not as dramatic as it sounds, but the choice you make here can have a significant impact on your tax situation and overall financial health. Let's start with LLCs, or limited liability companies. An LLC is a type of business entity that offers you, the owner, limited liability protection. This means that you are not personally responsible for the company's debts and liabilities. Sounds great, right? But that's not all. LLCs are also known for their flexibility in terms of management, ownership, and profit distribution. Plus, they are subject to pass-through taxation, meaning the company itself is not taxed. Instead, income and losses are passed through to the owners who report them on their personal tax returns. Now, let's move on to S-corporations, or S-corp for short. Much like an LLC, an S-corp offers limited liability protection and pass-through taxation, but with a twist. In an S-corp, owners who also work in the business are considered employees and must be paid a reasonable salary. This salary is subject to employment taxes, but any additional profits distributed to the owners as dividends are not. This can be a significant tax-saving strategy, as employment taxes can be quite hefty. So how do you choose between the two? Well, it largely depends on your specific business situation and long-term goals. It's important to note that switching your business structure from an LLC to an S-corp, or vice versa, is not a decision to be taken lightly. It involves a complex legal process and potential tax implications. But fear not, you don't have to navigate this complicated terrain alone. VRMSZ is here to guide you through the process, helping you weigh the pros and cons of each business structure. Remember, choosing the right business structure could save you a significant amount in the long run. So, make your decision wisely. In the terrain of capital gains, the dichotomy between long-term and short-term gains demands attention. Capital gains, as you might know, are the profits you earn from selling a capital asset, like stocks or property. Now, these gains are not all treated equally in the eyes of the taxman. There's a significant difference in tax treatment between short-term gains, which are derived from assets held for less than a year, and long-term gains, from assets held for more than a year. Short-term gains are generally taxed at your ordinary income tax rate, which can be as high as 37%. On the other hand, long-term gains enjoy a more favorable tax rate, maxing out at just 20%. Strategic planning around when you buy and sell assets can help optimize these gains and minimize your tax liabilities. It's all about timing, and understanding the nuances of capital gains is key to maximizing your returns. Now, let's talk about the delicate equilibrium between heartfelt generosity and strategic benevolence. Charitable deductions. It's a topic that beautifully combines the warmth of giving with the cool pragmatism of financial strategy. It's all about finding that balance, where every act of generosity also becomes a step towards achieving your financial goals. When we give to a charity, not only are we helping those in need, but we're also setting ourselves up for potential tax deductions. And it's not just about cash donations. Giving away stocks, bonds, or even real estate can have substantial tax benefits. The key is to ensure that your chosen charity is a qualified organization. But remember, you need to itemize your deductions to claim these benefits. So it's always a good idea to consult with a tax advisor or a financial planner who can guide you through the intricacies of charitable deductions, ensuring you make the most of your generosity. Discover the power of strategic benevolence and learn how your charitable contributions can make a difference and optimize your tax situation. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more information on business and taxes.